Do you want to build serious wealth without spending hours researching stocks or constantly checking market news? If so, you need the ultimate guide to passive investing. Passive investing is the most powerful strategy available to beginners, and it is incredibly simple. Instead of trying to beat the market, you buy the whole market and let the economy do the work for you. The core of this strategy is using low-cost index funds that track broad indexes like the S&P 500. This approach eliminates the high fees and poor performance of actively managed funds, maximizing your returns over the long haul. Whether you are 17 saving your first paycheck or 50 looking for a reliable retirement plan, passive investing is your zero-effort key to wealth. It is all about setting it, forgetting it, and letting compounding work its magic. Stop stressing over stock picks. Today, we break down the simple 3-step process to set up your passive portfolio in less than 10 minutes. If you are ready to learn the easiest way to invest like a millionaire, hit that follow button now.